Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Wig Wednesday, and I will be reviewing this brand new wig. It's a wet and wavy style wig by OUTRE. It's called LEENA. I have it in the color 1B. This looks a lot like Shireen. Okay, let's take it out. Never been out the box. Well, they usually got this stuck in this knot. Okay, got the hairnet on it. Oh, this is what it looks like. It's a lace front wig. And I will have to cut the lace. Let me cut this tag off. Take out this salt packet. Okay. I saved the cards to put back in the plastic. It has a 5-inch deep parting. It says natural baby hair, so I usually don't use the baby hair. High definition, transparent lace. And it's heat resistant up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And it comes in a whole bunch of colors. And I believe I got this from Amazon. I'm not sure. Okay. I like this color she has on. What color is that? I don't know. It don't say. Okay. This is what she looks like. There's the parting. This is the lace. It is transparent. So I'm going to cut this lace on here the baby hairs. I don't use all that. It has a right side part. I'm partial to left side parts, but this will work too. Okay, I'm going to cut this off, and I'll be back and cut the lace off. Okay, I just cut the lace off the wig, and I put in my MzBrazell notch. I cut a little V at the part. See that? Okay, let me show y'all the specifics of the wig. Turn the inside out. Okay, it has a light and airy wig cap, and it's stretchy. I haven't tried it on yet, so I don't know if it's big head friendly or not. It has 2 combs. Wait a minute. Okay, I had it turned wrong. 1 comb at the back with the tag, along with 2 adjustable straps. It has 2 combs, 1 on each side of the part. Here's one, here's one, and does it have ear tabs? I don't see or feel any ear tabs. And here's the parting area. Say it's a, how much? 5-inch deep part. Okay? And that's how close I cut the lace. So I'm going to put some powder on the underside of the lace to make it match my scalp better. Small brush. I'm quite sure I'm going to darken the lace around the edges to blend in with my hairline. Because I don't glue no wigs down. Unless it's a heavy braided wig, sometimes I'll put a little glue on the freeze spray glue right at the front. Okay. Got the powder in the inside, so it'll show up on the outside. I'm gonna brush away some of the powder that got on the hair. Okay. Just use whatever powder you put on your face. Okay, now I'm going to put on my wig grip, and I'll put the wig on. Tuck this braid under. I don't fix my hair no special way to put on a wig. I don't do all that French braiding and cornrowing and all that, and bald cap method and all that. Right side part. What? Let's put it on. I only attach the bottom comb, the bottom comb up under my tucked under braid. Oh, it stretches good. And it fit my big head, so it's big head friendly. Okay. Like I said, I'm going to have to darken the lace around the edges on this side. So I'm going to use some dark eyeshadow. You can use whatever you got that's dark. I'm going to use a dark brown. Color that lace. Might have to use black. Let me see. Yeah, better. It's that lace on my head. Hard to tell. I'm leaving. Okay. Oh, this is what I use. The dark eyeshadow right here. And I'm going to put some powder, light powder right here at the part with a little brush. See how I extend that part like that? That's good. I think it's cute, y'all. I didn't have to do much to it. And like I said, I don't use the baby hair on the wig. I just got a little of my own edges. Look at this. Okay. I didn't measure it. This is about 8 or 10 inches long. Shoulder length. So this is to the front. I'm going to do my thumbnail right now. Right side, back. See how long it is. And the left side. So, I'm not sure where I got it from. I usually get all my wigs from Amazon. I'm not sure if I got this one from Amazon. I've had it a while. I just never wore it or reviewed it. But anyway, it looks just like the picture. And I don't comb these kind of wigs because I don't want them to get big and bushy. Else I just wear my own hair because it has the tendency, once it's good and dry, look like Shaka Khan, my hair. So I have to keep it tamed and braided. So this is my Wig Wednesday review of the OUTRE Wet and Wavy style lace front wig called LEENA in the color 1B. That's a glare. And it comes in all these colors. Okay, I like this. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.